The Field Museum still has a strong interest in doing things around the world. Yes, but I've stayed here in Chicago. I got happy with just working with house sparrows, and you can do that in your own yard and not have to travel far. I'm Peter Lowther. Worked at the Field Museum in the computing department, the IT department. I'm also a research associate with the Division of Birds. I always wanted to be an ornithologist, so I could spell ornithologist in third grade, which sort of beat the top speller in the class here. Well, today we're at my home, and since moving to Chicago, I've sort of established a house sparrow nest box colony on the garage that I've been monitoring since 1988. They're a very nice steady organism. They're around, they live where people live. So I'm doing measurements, counting eggs. You have the dates on when they're laid. You're looking at hatching success. I'm weighing the young as they grow, so I'm looking at growth rates and survivorship in the nest. They're banded, so they're individually marked, so there's potential to look at movements and survival. There's been probably about 20 years times 100 birds per year. That's 2,000 young birds that have grown up here and called this home.